Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. You're probably very confused by the title of today's video because you're like, I thought she was already married. We are so excited to say we are going to get married again in our hometown because we just want all of our family and friends to be there, and the one in Hawaii was kind of restricted because it was so far away. So I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel called Wedding Wednesday. So expect a new video every Wednesday regarding everything about wedding planning, tips, bridesmaid proposals, just everything about wedding. And then also it's going to be things that are very budgeted as we are going to get married in a different state, and so it's a little bit harder on the planning process because we're not actually there to go in person. But let's just get into today's video. The first thing that you want to do when you're starting to plan your wedding is you want to get a guest list of who you're going to invite, and you want to do that pretty early on because you want to send out save the dates so they can already lock in that date that you're going to get married. And so that's what we did, and we already created our save the dates. So we actually got this template off Etsy and it was on sale for $3.50, which is very cost efficient. And I love how it was so simple, and it has like a little calendar, and then what we added, like a special touch, is on the back we added these magnetic strips. So once they receive their invitation in the mail, they can actually just put it on the refrigerator as it's magnetized, and every time they're gonna go get something from the refrigerator, they will remember our wedding date. And so I thought that was pretty cute, and we got a lot of these. We still have so much left over. I kind of wanted to put in a little bit more of our wedding colors and just add like more of a border to it. So I found this border and I went ahead and downloaded it, and it is so cute, and this is how it looks. We added our Hawaii wedding picture on the invitation, which was kind of a neat touch because I'm actually not going to be wearing the same dress. I'm going to find another dress as well. And I love how it has a calendar just so they know exactly what date it is anytime that they're looking at this. The next part, and probably the most exciting part for me, was wanting to ask my bridesmaids early on because I am probably going to have 9, which is a lot. And of course I wanted to show my appreciation for them being in the wedding, so I wanted to gift them with something, and I created these and it's just a low cost on how to give your bridesmaids a gift. So typically with bridesmaids on Pinterest and on Instagram and on Etsy, you see all these really cool boxes that you can put all this stuff in. I didn't want to do that because it's going to be so much expensive because a lot of my bridesmaids are in a different state, and so I was going to have to mail this to them, and I didn't want it to get so pricey so fast. So what I did was I found this pack of these little white shimmery bags at Michael's, and it was a pack of like 10, I believe, for $8, and it was just really cute. So in this pack I decided to give everyone a face mask. I thought that would be like a nice touch and for them to have like a little spa day for themselves, and I found the face mask for I believe $1.89 at Target, and I just put it in the bag like this. And then the next thing that I added in there was a Starbucks gift card for all of my bridesmaids for $5 just so they can go get their coffee fix, and I put it in the bag. And then also at Michael's I found these cute little will you be my bridesmaid cards. And then I just added a personal message on the back of the card just to show my appreciation for them to be in the wedding, and then it looks like this. So I thought this was a really neat idea because it was so cost efficient for me. I didn't have to spend like $30 a piece on 9 girls, and so overall I think it was about $8 for each of these bags, which was really affordable, about $8 to $10. So I thought that was a pretty neat idea, and then I just mailed it directly to them and they were so excited. We decided that we're actually going to gift our groomsmen something special just to show our appreciation for them to be in the wedding as well. And so we came up with the idea after looking on Etsy and Pinterest for hours. We could not find something, so we decided to gift all of them matching socks to wear with their suit on the day of the wedding, and they turned out so cute. So we stuck with the same theme and got these little bags, again from Michael's. And then we got the socks at Saks Fifth Avenue in a pack as well. And they were so cute because our colors are blush pink and navy blue. I don't know if I said that already. I don't think I did. And then we got these little cards at PAPERSOURCE and they were on sale as well. And we just added like custom of their name and then put groomsmen and then a little thank you sticker. And honestly, they turned out so much better than what I thought, but they're really cute. And so I'm excited for them to get these in the mail and wear them on the day of so we can take pictures with everyone having their matching socks. So the last thing I wanted to show you guys is, since I'm not going to be doing the Bridesmaid Proposal boxes, like I kind of wanted to do that, I'm actually going to be gifting my bridesmaids another gift, and I'm creating them as we speak right now, but I'm going to give it to them the day of the wedding or the night before. And it is going to have such the cutest things in it. So the first store that I went to was PAPERSOURCE, and PAPERSOURCE had so many good deals. Here's a tip: if you're gonna go to like PAPERSOURCE, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's for like wedding things, go to their clearance section first. There are so many items that you can find that are cute that you can put like in a little box for your bridesmaid or groomsman. So I found these at PAPERSOURCE and they were 50% off. So I got a pack of 6 champagne glasses and they have like a gold tint on them for, I believe, like $5. And I thought this was so cute to put in the little box for them so we can drink mimosas the morning of while we're all getting ready for the wedding. The next thing that I'm actually going to put in the champagne glasses is these cute little silk scrunchies. So I bought 2 packs and I'm going to put these inside of their champagne glass that kind of add like the little pink touch of the wedding. Another thing I got from PAPERSOURCE was these cute little pink labels. And it comes with 19 labels, and I think it'll add like a special touch. And guys, they have no idea that they're getting this, so they're probably watching this right now surprised, but I just want to show my appreciation for them. And also, of course, I wanted to gift all of them Arbonne samples, so like cleansers or lotion, so they will also be getting that. Who doesn't want free skincare items that are gluten-free and healthy for your skin? While Etsy is my new addiction, I probably look on there for hours and hours each day trying to find like good items. I found the cutest set of 10 rose gold necklaces, and I was kind of skeptical because they were only $10 plus shipping like $15, and they are such good quality for the price. Like, I am so surprised. They look like this. So this is a group of 10. As you can see, it's like pretty bulky, but it's such a cute dainty necklace. And then I'm going to look for charms to put on them, either like a little heart charm or like a little letter, and then they could all wear them on the wedding day. So that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and leave any recommendations down below on wedding tips or things that you want to see as well. And thank you for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.